So we got a 2017 Nissan Xtrail T32. What we're going to look for, not the check engine light, that's my bad, but we got that light, which is basically the battery light. So we definitely have a fault on the charging system. So with the engine running, you see I'm like 12.13 volts. Right? And you see I'm getting the same 12.1 volts. So let me know that the alternator is not outputting the voltage. It's necessary to keep this vehicle running like it's supposed to. So anytime you see the battery light come on, that indicates that you have a fault on the charging system. Alright, it can also let you know that something is definitely wrong with the alternator, the battery. You can have an issue with your belt. We could also have a harness issue. Okay, you could have a blown fuse. So we gotta do all our checks before we go after this alternator. When I try to use the special tool is hitting the chassis. So I gotta use a wrench upon a wrench to get this belt off. This belt, see, nothing needs to be replaced. So this is the MR20DD engine. So let me show you where I put this Allen key to hold the tension, but look at the condition of the belt. It's horrible. Yep, we got some cracks and stuff. So let me see if I get this stand up here. Yep, it's not good at all. So let's remove this alternator. I got the pulley. Let me turn the pulley. Pulley feels good. Doesn't hear any squealing from the pulley. You want to toss that belt. Let's remove this.
2 hours later.
Yeah, so I just got the alternator back from being repaired, so I'm gonna install it and we're going to redo our checks, ensure that we're getting proper charging voltage, and that's supposed to be it, right?
Approximately 10 hours later.
Right, so this day 2 working on this Nissan Xtrail. So it was getting too late, so I had to wrap it up. Right, so it's 12.65 volts. I'm getting off the battery pole. All right, also that the alternator is installed. We got a fresh belt as well because the belt was show signs of fatigue. And let's start this vehicle up and see exactly what voltage we can. Put the ignition on. Before we had the battery light was staying on while we was idling. All right, you see I got the belt replaced here, so let's start it up. Okay, so if you can recall, the battery light came on instantly once the vehicle was idling. So let's go on the hood and let's see exactly what voltage we're getting off the multimeter. Let's see what's going on here. And let's see, did it freeze? Oh, did it hold? Let's press this here. The hold button is on. So there you have it. We have like 13.9 on the battery pole, and if I go straight to the alternator, I'm expecting to see the same 13.9. So let's take the positive lead and let's go straight to the B post on the alternator. I'm getting 14 volts coming off the battery post. Right, so I also did my checks on the alternator and see that the alternator is producing the voltage and current that it needs to replenish the battery. So I hope you like what you saw. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Until next time, y'all take it easy, man.